For bathrooms when traveling, size matters, at least in terms of comfort. Particularly at sea, you may need to rein in your expectations, as I discovered when first checking out our 4-bunk room on the Aranui while sailing in the Marquesas of French Polynesia.
All right, this is it. Aranui, my home for the next few days, me and the crew. Bunk beds, 3 guys, 4 beds. What could go wrong? And you don't spend a lot of time in the cabin, so I see why. It's kind of small and intimate, but very comfortable, very comfortable. Let's see what's in here. Bathroom, all right. So obviously a toilet, a sink, and the shower. That shower is actually big for a ship, I think, for a boat. So we'll see what the hot water situation's like, huh? This is a great lesson on how to keep things simple and live basically with a little bit of stuff, with simplicity. So it'll be a challenge the next few days, but maybe by the end of it, I'll appreciate my spacious New York City apartment.
The Aranui is big, so we could have scaled up if we'd opted for a bigger room. But river cruise ships are limited in size. Our quasi-Europe river cruise in southern Spain had a spacious bathroom, buttoned up and battened down.
And what's interesting is because sometimes, when we're on the ocean, you do hit the waves, everything is really secure. So when you shut the door, it's shut. It reminds me of the phrase, batten down the hatches. Everything seems battened down when you shut the door. The bathroom, again, it's small, but they have storage cabinets, toilet, the shower right here. Kind of tight, you gotta do it like that. Short showers is my recommendation, but the water is hot, and that's my first requirement. And again, when I shut the door, boom, it's battened down.
There's not usually much need to batten down the hatches on the dreamy Aqua Lodge off the gentle and azure waters of the French Caribbean island of Guadeloupe, where everything, including the toilet, is ecological.
So I can use the whole room as a shower. That's basically the shower room. Okay, all right, I love it, I love it. Okay, excellent. And then obviously we have a limited amount of water.
It's an ecological lodge, so don't use a lot of water.
Don't use more than you need.
Exactly.
Yeah. I mean, that's a lesson in life anyway, whether you're on an Aqua Lodge or at home in your New York City apartment.
Ironically, the smaller the vessel, the larger the bathroom at times. At least on our Sea Trek sailing adventure in Raja Ampat, Indonesia, aboard the lovely Ombak Putih.
Check it out. Here's the washroom, and then here is my toilet/shower. They can convert seawater to fresh water, but everybody's sharing resources here, so we're all very conscious of that.
As you can plainly see, toilets at sea are in ship shape. So don't skip the loo and let something like a bathroom keep you from getting out there and experiencing this great, big, beautiful world.
Excuse me, guys.